The 2026 Audi A5 Avant represents a sophisticated evolution of Audi's renowned Avant lineup, seamlessly merging luxury, practicality, and advanced technology. The exterior design reflects Audi's commitment to modern aesthetics, featuring a streamlined silhouette, a bold front grille, and sharper LED lighting signatures. The vehicle's aerodynamic improvements contribute not only to its visual appeal, but also to enhanced efficiency and driving stability. With a longer and wider stance compared to its predecessors, the A5 Avant embodies a dynamic yet elegant presence on the road. Beneath the hood, the A5 Avant is equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-four engine, producing an estimated 268 horsepower. This powertrain is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling in diverse driving conditions. The suspension system has been meticulously tuned to balance comfort with sporty responsiveness, making the vehicle well-suited for both urban commutes and high-speed cruising. Audi's engineering prowess is evident in its use of lightweight materials and chassis refinements, which contribute to a refined and engaging driving experience. The interior of the 2026 Audi A5 Avant is a testament to technological advancement and ergonomic design. The cabin features a curved digital display integrating a 14.5-inch infotainment screen alongside an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit instrument cluster, providing drivers with an intuitive and immersive interface. A secondary 10.9-inch display is also available for front passengers, incorporating anti-glare technology to minimize distractions. Additionally, the expanded dimensions of the Avant translate into increased rear passenger space and a more capacious cargo area, reinforcing its status as a premium yet practical choice for families and professionals alike.